Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today is the part 2 of array, and hence we are going to attain day 2 item array construction and array initialization. So let's not waste the time and start the session. So guys, the construction. So if you see, every array in Java is an object, hence we can create by using new operator like below. Int square bracket a equal to new int of 3. What is the meaning of 3? It's a size of the array. So 3 buckets will be created, and a is the object reference or array type of reference that will be referring to that variable. So everything will be called a as a reference of the array, and it will be created of size 3. Okay guys, this is how we construct an array. Now let us discuss on some important points of array. Like, at the time of array creation, compulsory we should specify the size, otherwise we'll get compile time error. See, there are two sample I have given: int a equal to new int 3 and int a equal to new int of nothing. So if we don't pass the size, it will be a compile time error. Okay, and it will say array dimension is missing. What is the dimension? How many size has to be there? So guys, these all are important topic, important points for the interview purpose and also to understand the array. And the second point is, it is legal to have an array with size 0 in Java. Example below. So if you declare int a is equal to new int of 0, definitely the length 0 will be there. Okay, so it is valid, and you can print 0, nothing will be printed, it will be out of bound exception, it will come. Okay, so if we are taking array size with a negative value, on the other hand 0 is valid, 1 2 3 4 5 is valid, but if you put negative, it will say compile time, uh, it will say an error like runtime exception saying negative array size exception. Also, the important point is the allowed data types to specify the size of arrays: byte, short, char, int. By mistake, if you are using any other type, it will give you an left, right, and compile time error. Once we created an array, all its elements by default initialized with default value. Like if you created int a equal to new int 3, so default value of int is 0. So it will be created with 0, and every block will be filled with 0, all 3 blocks. Okay, now it's your choice, whatever you want to do with those 3 blocks. Now the initialization, whenever we are creating an array, every element is initialized with a default value automatically: int 0, okay, string null, something like that. Once we created an array, it's all its element by default initialized with the default value. The other way, if we are not satisfied with those value, then we can replace with our own customized value. Like, see, int a is equal to new int 3. So if you print a, how the objects are printed: hash code method, toString method, this is bigger thing, pos, java.lang package. Okay, very important package to learn. So you print a, why it is printing like that? Something at the rate something. Okay, so it is printing because I is of type, a is of which type, that's why I it is printing integer type, at the rate, and then location of the reference hash value. And if you print its index 0, system.out.println a of 0, it will print 0. It means it is initialized with 0 value. So thank you guys for watching, and the next day 3 we are going to have array declaration, construction, initialization in one time, and length versus length method, what is the difference. Thank you, but please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, I love you.